Welcome back to another video, guys. There is a surprise today. As you can see, there is no triangle here, actually four angle. What I mean is that I'm not driving the Renault. They changed my truck because I had some issue with the Renault, and today we are driving this old Volvo manual gearbox. It's nice sometime to come back to the old era. Oh la 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 la. At least it's accelerating very nice. Hop, we change to higher gears. It's cool. It's not as boring as the automatic, but I'm sure if I drive non-stop a truck like that, I will get annoyed to shift gears all the time, and you can't really concentrate on your work. It was raining snow this morning. As you can see, it's a little bit white everywhere, just a little bit. Nothing crazy, because in France there is snow only in the mountains. I feel how the truck doesn't want to move. We are just 35 ton today, and I'm accelerating right now on maximum, and it's just not moving, this old crap. There is noises from everywhere. I hope it's not very annoying for the video. Okay, finally we reach 90. Regulator. Voila. How are you guys? How are you doing? Is everything alright with you? Are the roads safe? How it's starting the new year? Me, if I have to be honest, I would prefer to don't drive this truck, even if it's changing a little bit. When you have addresses to do and everything here of the buttons of the hook behind are different, and it takes time to get used to. And many of you are truck drivers that you're watching my videos, you know how annoying it's to change your truck all the time, because you have your things there and you forget your gloves, for example. Today, happily, I didn't forget nothing. I took my paper, I took my mask, my glasses protection, my gloves, as I mentioned. But yeah, it's very dirty also, this truck. And every single time I decide to wash my truck, they decide to change it with another one. So I have to clean it again and clean it again and clean it again, and it's all the time somebody else that is enjoying the clean truck, and me, I have to deal with the dirty ones. It's alright if it happens one or two times, but when it's all the time, it starts to be annoying. I was a little bit sick the last 3-4 days. I don't know what it was, but it was not nice at all. I couldn't sleep. I have a very dry throat, and I was coughing, my nose was stuck. Happily I'm better today. I had a very long weekend though. I didn't work Friday, so I had 3 days of rest, which I really enjoy. As I mentioned before, longer weekends, and Vanko Jr. is happy. It's nice to change the paysage, to be a little bit winter feeling, because at December we had 15-16 degrees. It was not feeling like winter at all. Now I check the weather. In about 5 or 6 days, the temperatures are going to go higher again. But yeah, staying positive, enjoying whatever the weather brings us. This morning it was 1 degree, so it was raining very strongly. Rain, not snow. And at some point when we got higher, the temperature went down. It was -3 degrees and it starts to rain snow. Happily they treat the roads well here with salt and products, so it doesn't get icy and it's not dangerous to drive, which is very nice. We have a colleague here, little tiny colleague. They try to pass us, and to don't stuck the traffic we just lower the regulator with 5 kilometers. Like that he can go faster. Doesn't matter that right now there is no car behind him. It's very annoying when two trucks are passing each other for like 5 minutes. Now when he's able to go, you just blink him twice. He knows that he can go. He thanks us, and like that, just from nothing, you have positive vibes. Be this kind of truck driver. Don't be the bad ones. Don't be the guys that really like when you're passing them then to accelerate. Yeah, it's a trucking jokes, but it was never funny for me, this. Oh. I never thought, because I'm Bulgarian, that when I start to work in France I would have still manual gearbox trucks, old ones, dirty ones. As you may know, you can check the other videos in the channel, I already drove a truck with 1,300,000 kilometers. It was a Renault, and it was really disgusting inside. Everything was peeled down, all the cover of the dashboard. It was really not nice to be inside. And people don't realize that we spend all our days here, we eat here, we touch everything. So when they are really horrible, it's not the best thing at all. Now many of you will say, yeah, but you clean it and after it's alright. It's not really true, it depends of your work. Me, I'm working all the time with what's the name in English? I have corn, I have different type of dust from the fields. So it's very dirty job, and you leave a little bit the window open when you're deloading, or the door when you open it, all the dust enters inside. So it's not very easy to keep it clean. As long as we don't take trucks, as long as we don't change trucks, sorry, it's alright to keep it clean. But when you start to change too much, it starts to get tiring to clean it, and also you're on hurry all the time. So for example, this morning I had to fill up with AdBlue, AdBlue, or doesn't matter how you call it, and it means that I was 15 minutes late. So imagine if I had to also clean the truck. This usually takes minimum 30 minutes to 1 hour. I was going to be late for my appointment with the address that I just did. So it's not that easy also. Oh, that's so nice. You have the look, guys. I don't know, I hope you can see it. It's raining snow. Finally, it's raining snow. I'm so happy. Look at that. It's just, I know Christmas passed, but This is the best Christmas present from the weather. Although we have to be careful as truck drivers, and not only as drivers. If there is snow, be careful, especially on the corners. I'm telling you, this truck, it's hard to start to drift or to slip, but once it does that, you can't put it in the road. It's just either you will finish on the right, either you finish in the opposite lane. There is no second option. So take care a lot, guys, on the road. All the time drive depending on the weather conditions and the road condition. Don't drive the same all the time, no matter if it's raining or no, or yeah, or if there is ice, for example, on the road. We have to be very adaptive with the situation. Oh, I'm enjoying so much to see the snow. When I get in this truck, usually from this shifter here, you can slow down, but I thought it's the cleaning of the windshield, so I hit it multiple times and I was like, why it's not working, because in the morning it was dark, so I couldn't see good. After I realized it's not the cleaning windshield. But is this the risk of changing trucks all the time? Otherwise, I really like the design. It's very flat here. You can put your stuff. There is multiple boxes for putting also your stuff. Although it's very, very dirty, so I don't put nothing there. As you can see here, everything is put it on my papers. So yeah, look at that, guys. It's so nice. I'm in love. It's so long since I didn't see snow. It's very, very enjoyable. I hope it's not going to be too icy on the road. It's nice that the guy in front is kind of cleaning the lane. So nice. My mouth is so dry, it's horrible. When the weather is changing a lot, all the viruses and things like that are coming, and it's very hard to don't get sick around people that are ill. Drink water, guys. More vitamins, so we evitate to get sick. Very adorable. Very, very nice. So I'm happy I could share this with you guys. The snowy weather. I hope you enjoy it. It will be this from this video. If you like the video, you can share it with your friends. You can subscribe for the channel. And see you in the next videos, guys. Bye bye.